In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Gmail notification settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the controls in Gmail, what each option means, and how to choose the setting that best fits your workflow so you only get the alerts you actually want. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser on a computer. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner for the little gear icon. This is the Settings button. Click it to open the Quick Settings panel. From there, select See All Settings to open the full settings page, which gives you access to every preference available in Gmail. You'll land on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Desktop Notifications. This is where you tell Gmail whether to show pop-up alerts on your desktop when new messages arrive. These are the notifications you'll see even if the Gmail tab isn't front and center, helping you stay on top of messages without constantly checking your inbox. You'll see three choices. New mail notifications on will alert you for every incoming email. Choose this if you rarely want to miss anything, like if you're monitoring a shared inbox or expecting frequent updates. Important mail notifications on focuses only on messages. Gmail flags as important. Gmail predicts importance based on things like who you email most, which messages you open or reply to, and any filters you've set. This is a great middle ground that reduces noise while still surfacing what matters. Mail notifications off disables desktop alerts entirely. This is ideal when you need deep focus or if you already check your inbox on a schedule and don't want interruptions. Pick the option that matches your needs. If you're unsure, try important mail notifications on first. You can always come back and adjust later as you see how many alerts you're getting. Once you've made your selection, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is easy to miss, but it's essential. Your choice won't take effect until you save. After saving, Gmail may ask your browser for permission to show notifications. If you see that prompt, allow it so alerts can appear as intended. Keep in mind, Gmail desktop notifications work best when Gmail is open in a browser tab, even if it's in the background. That's it. You've updated your Gmail notification settings. If you don't see alerts later, double check that your computer's Do Not Disturb or focus mode isn't on and you'll be good to go.